your video there. Did you start it, Joe? Are we going? Okay, all right. Law of sines. Okay, we have some properties here of area. You can find a different way with the triangle. If you don't have the height in the base, this formula will do it. 1/2 BC sine A. So if we look at this, 1/2 AC sine B, 1/2 AB sine C. All right, they're really all basically the same. If you look at the label over here at this triangle, if you look at sides B and C, sine A is the angle in between them. Okay, and really if you look at everyone's the same. If you look at A and C, sine B is the angle in between them. And here's another way to do it, AB. Okay, we see AB and then C is the angle inside of it. So if you have two sides and the angle in between those two sides, we can solve for the area of the triangle without having the height. Okay, and that's what we're going to do in example number 1. So we're going to look at this. Basically, they're the same formula. Doesn't matter if we label these A, B, or C. We can just insert these into the formula. So it's 1/2, area is equal to 1/2. The two sides multiplied by each other, and they have to be two sides touching each other. Okay, 24 times 55, and then the sine of the angle in between. So we look at the angle in between, it's 115. Okay, we can plug this into our calculator. Sine 115 times 55 times 24 times 1/2 will give you the area of the triangle without the height. Okay, and when we do that and we calculate it, we get that the area is 598 point, if we round to the 10th, 598.2. All right, now from those formulas, we can actually move things around a little bit, and we can produce what's called the law of sines. You may have seen this in the ACT, but there's a ratio. The sine of an angle divided by its side is equal to the sine, it's equal to the ratio of the sine of an angle to its opposite side. And we can set this ratio. Okay, so this ratio can help us solve for parts of the triangle. So look at